In this video, I'll show you how to make Gmail your default email app on your iPhone. So if you've been using the Gmail app as your primary email on your iPhone, then let me show you how to make this as a default mail app. So to make this as a default mail app on your iPhone, you want to first go into settings. Next, you want to scroll down until you see Gmail, tap on it, and now here you're finding default mail app. As you can see, currently the mail app from iPhone is your default mail app. So to change this to Gmail, go ahead and tap on it. And now here, select Gmail and then go back. And now your default mail app has been set to Gmail. And there you go. That is how to make Gmail your default email app on your iPhone. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.